Hey guys, this video today is all about the kitchen, you know, and I'm gonna show you how this guy working at the kitchen. And these are access in the kitchen for all the chef. So let's go and see what's going on in the kitchen right now. This is how we do it. How these people work, how the chefs doing those foods, actually how like presentation and everything. And there you go. This is the kitchen. Hey. So this for what, man? For tonight, the special?
Yeah, we have our special tonight. Seafood trio, lobster tail.
Well, this is Chef Philip actually is preparing for tonight. What is that? Seafood special?
No, seafood trio.
Okay, seafood trio.
Tonight.
Like special dinner tonight. There we go. You got lobster. What is that? Lobster?
Yeah, lobster tail, and we have fresh scallops.
Okay.
And then later on, I'm gonna cut some red snapper.
So how big is your scallop? Where is your scallop, man?
Yeah. This scallop is this is
I
totally fresh
just take here because it's
from Miami.
so.
Yeah, that's fresh, not frozen one.
Alright, that's good, man.
Directly from the.
Hey, this is all the chef. There's one more. The head chef is there. Chef Philip also. We have two Philip in this kitchen. One is the head, and one is the assistant. Yeah, where are you now? So, this just doing the mise en place right now.
Yeah, for preparing tonight.
Yeah, chef. That's Chef Philip.
Good.
So this is hot over here.
So hi.
Our chef.
I'm okay. So I'm pastry chef here.
So one of the best pastry chef in Cayman over here. What is that, chef? Sauce for.
This one for Indian sauce, chicken
Okay.
tikka masala.
All right.
Yeah.
So this all for tonight. We got the. What's that? The rib eye? Right? That's rib eye.
We have the ribeye, we have the lamb wrap, and we have also here lobster bite.
So that's just a mise en place for tonight. So all is ready. Yeah, at least start picking up right now. So that's good.
And the chiller already tonight.
So over here, like look at how these people organize, how the chef really organize the chiller down there.
After that, wash the board.
Hey, mommy, how are you? You good? You gotta be in the YouTube. So what are you doing? This
Yeah.
the king
We have a new what
the
this?
king prawns. Yeah, see how this kitchen's really clean up. Look at that. Yeah. See how they sanitize many times
Yes.
before they use it. Look at that. How clean. How organized this kitchen.
All right, ready to oven to pre-cook a little bit.
Oh,
Just bake a little bit quick.
you're doing it.
There's Chef
Yeah.
Phillips down there.
We'll be making a
The
lemon
master.
butter sauce for tonight's special. So what we're gonna do right here, we're reducing a little cream with a little bit white wine, just to cook it down a little bit.
That's
And
good.
then we're gonna add slowly like butter inside. But you have to make sure it doesn't boil that much, otherwise it's split, right? And we just keep on pouring the butter in there.
Good job, Chef.
It's gonna be delicious later. Oh, butter.
That's for tonight, right, Chef?
Tonight's special, yeah, we have like a snapper, local snapper, then we have some scallops, like you guys see in the bag, and some lobster thermidor. It's gonna be very nice. Come and enjoy, guys.
Only at the Wyndham.
Only we.
Only at the Wyndham. You can see Chef
Yeah.
Philip. Nowhere else. Okay, bye. That's it. All right, man.
Eh, magkapakupad sila. Kasi 1 minute. Alright. Now, just cleaning the fish.
Right, that is the snapper fillet, right? And chef is really busy also.
Yeah.
All fresh fish and seafood, we just everything vacuumized.
That's one, man.
Yeah, actually bring back butter.
Okay.
Right, right.
All right, I'll be back. Like, hey, this is kitchen anyway. This is how we do it. Well, please again, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, and my Instagram, Naked Mixology, and then my Facebook page also, the Naked Mixology. And I see you next time because this is gonna be between mixing drinks and what we're doing in the kitchen also, about the chef. You know, so we have like really good foods for the guests. All right, and I see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Voila.